We're looking for more shops here. Ayan. So, marami namang shops talaga outside. You can still do some window shopping and buy some souvenirs. So, for example, in this area, here, so that's Shanghai Disneyland. So, this way, there's also a cheesecake factory.
我中了，我告诉你，能买欧陆了，能买欧陆了。啊？哎，我都快累了。啊，前面跟我朋友吃了个特别苦，他们里面有一个
There is Donald Duck, the favorite duck. Ay, maraming restaurants actually here. And ito yung kuan ticket here sa Disneyland. So again, we are not going inside. So we will just roam around outside the Shanghai Disneyland. Then plenty of boutiques, plenty of stores outside. So it's definitely a beautiful place to visit.